it when you pop, when you pop it when you pop, pop it when you pop it when you pop it when you pop, pop.
So we're at the market to get some fruit and vegetables to juice and stuff like that. So IKEA has a Christmas section. I should have came here and got some of my stuff, y'all. They got ornaments and stuff. Wow, y'all, I ordered stuff for my table and stuff online. That's crazy. Hello, vlog. Welcome back to another Vlogmas. If you're new here, my name is Quay. I do everything lifestyle, to music, to travel, to just about anything you can think of. We just live life and I record it day by day. So as y'all can see, I was in IKEA. As soon as I got off work, I went straight to IKEA to go pick up some things, just like normal household things that was needed. Now I'm about to shower. And then I'm gonna juice because running out of juice, so it's time to go ahead and get that together. I kind of want to watch the Diddy, the little Diddy thing that 50 Cent dropped on Netflix. So after I juice, I'll probably do that. I'm not gonna eat again today. I only ate once a day. I still haven't really been consistent in the gym, but hear me out. Tomorrow, I'm gonna do Pilates. So that's another whole thing you'll see in the next Vlogmas to look forward to. Hopefully they let me record. If they don't, I'm going to be tight because I've never been to this place before. But hopefully they do and I can get a few clips. I might not be able to get all the angles because, you know, it's like I'm new there. I don't really know how they operate. So we'll see about that. But anyway, how y'all's day's going? How is your day going? I know it's not going to be... You're not going to be able to respond until later. But let me know how y'all doing. This is just a little wellness check. Y'all doing good? How y'all feeling? Y'all good? Alright, great. My lips dry as hell. Y'all, one thing I was gonna say too, I did not notice that like IKEA has so much Christmas stuff. Like, did y'all see that Christmas section that was in IKEA? I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna be in a montage before this. But like, what? Like, I could have just went to IKEA. I could have went to some other stores too that I've seen. I'm like, did I like prolong my decorating because I wanted to order on Amazon and I could have just went to the mall and found some stuff? But that's neither here nor there. I found some cute stuff online and I'm gonna be patient. It's on the way. I'm definitely gonna be hitting up IKEA a little bit more. I don't know why I haven't been there. Like, I'll order stuff on Amazon so quick. I don't know if it's me being lazy and not wanting to go to the store. But yeah, tonight's just chill. I know like a lot of the, I don't know if y'all really like these, but the ones that vlogs that I'm just in a crib, like it's really the reality of it all. Baby be tired. After my 12-hour shifts, I do what I can with recording. And I said, that's why it's so much easier for me to give y'all a weekly vlog because it's like everything. And then y'all get to see me active and going and doing stuff. But I may have a surprise. I'm actually up to something and I said I wasn't gonna do this, but I might actually do this. Like, I found something that I might want to do for Christmas Day for Vlogmas. Not sure. Just stay tuned. You'll see what it is. Knowing me, I'll probably go do it because I'm just extra. But I am cooking up some stuff. Like, every day, I'm over here brainstorming, like, okay, what am I going to do today? What am I going to record? What do these people want to really see? Like, Quays, let me know. Like, what do you want to see? I know y'all want to see Kuwait, things like that. But during the week, realistically, I get up at 3:45 a.m. And then I don't get home until like 6 something p.m. and I have to do it the next day again. Ain't no way I'm going out in the city. Ain't no way I'm really going out and doing a lot unless it's the weekend. So yeah, that's the reality of my life. Also, I'm really loving like seeing all the girlies online with the decor, like getting their stuff ready, pulling out the stuff, going Christmas shopping. Like, it's making me even more hype. Like, granted, I know my stuff in here and we still waiting, but it's just like making me even more in the Christmas spirit. I love it. Oh my God. Can't wait for Christmas. And I ordered my friends some gifts online. Don't tell nobody.
That's our secret.
Even though they might watch this vlog and know that I bought them some gifts. But it doesn't matter. Also, it is one thing I wanted to talk to y'all about. So like, I know how everybody has like a New Year's resolution because it is that time approaching. So everybody's like, oh, I'm going to be in the gym. Oh, I want to do this. Oh, I want to do that. Like, make that list now. Like, I made this list 2 weeks ago, I think, or maybe a week ago. I don't know. And it's literally just a goal list. And granted, yeah, I might not accomplish some of these until sometime next year, but start now. Like, why wait? Like, I just always feel as though a New Year's resolution may possibly low-key be a hindrance or a crutch, because it's like, why wait? Yes, it's not even Christmas yet and I'm talking about New Year's resolutions, but like, it shouldn't be a New Year's resolution. It should just be something that you want to do for yourself and you want to accomplish as soon as possible. So if this is something that you need to hear, I hope that I can help you with that by just saying, go ahead, create that list, sis, of the goals you want to accomplish and start working on them now, because I'm doing that. And I would suggest or want to help inspire, or however you want to word it, get to it. Because why put off what you can do for today for tomorrow? Like, for example, I am supposed to be working out more. Yes, that's been a goal, but that's not even a goal that I just put on this list. That's something that I have been saying I want to do, and I have made progress. The beginning year, beginning of 2024, I was 193 pounds, believe it or not. And I am 160. I weighed myself yesterday, I think. I was 166 pounds. I got down the lowest since then to 163. Right after a juice cleanse, I was at 163. But right now, I'm currently at 166. And I want to get down even more. So, like, we're going to get there. But just to show, like, that wasn't a New Year's resolution. That was just a random time, random day. I'm like, all right, I'm about to lock in, and this is my goal, and I achieved that goal. Now now I have set another goal, and I'm going to achieve that goal. Whether it's weight loss or fitness or just a healthy lifestyle, one of my main goals that I put on my list is consistency. And that's across the board. That's not just gym. That's in my overall life. If it's certain things I say I want to do, I'm going to do it. Such as even vlogging. So if I'm going to post a weekly vlog every week, the same day, and then I also set a new thing that I wasn't doing, which is posting a short every single day, or a TikTok or Instagram story, or not story, Instagram reel, stuff like that. It's just so many different things that you can do. And I understand if it's a big goal, like something that's going to, take time to get to. I'm not saying, oh, it has to be done before next year. I'm just saying start it now. Don't put it off, man. Don't put it off. Y'all remember them commercials when they were like, you're sitting at home, you have, what is it?
You're sitting on the couch, you're watching TV, and your life's passing you by. You keep procrastinating over and over. Well, maybe I'll go to school next year, or maybe next semester. No, do it right now.
Those videos used to be hilarious because it was true. Like, go ahead, man. What you waiting on? What you waiting for? That's my TED Talk. I'm sorry. All right. Yeah, that's my TED Talk.
Money, hold up, gotta, cuddle, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, hop it, sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, drinkin' that acorn, baby, butter pecan, thinking that I want a refund, breaking up bed till I see the sun, I fuck the bitch on the dick, keep her get on her neck, she only coming for 6, speedin' that bitch, I stick up my foot on that neck, finna put on the wrist, I used to drop it at X,
The market is chaotic. You just have to pay in cash and you just go around and you bargain shop. I forgot to talk about that a little bit, but yeah, that's what y'all saw in that video of the market. It is kind of a language barrier with some people, but most people kind of can get you through. But you definitely get it way cheaper there, buying a wholesale at the market, than going to the actual like grocery store or ordering. Because I don't know if y'all realize, but y'all really don't see me in a grocery store often because I Taliban everything. It's literally like if you were to do back in the States, like Walmart, like groceries, and you just go pick them up, or the delivery for groceries, literally the same thing. But Taliban, you can do like fast food, like DoorDash or Uber Eats, and your groceries and store stuff. Like it's like all in one for them in Kuwait. So that's what I use 24/7. It kind of made me lazy, but it's so convenient. I didn't know what convenience was until I got to Kuwait. Like I thought America had convenient stuff. No, they did not. They do not. But yeah, when I go get my fruit, it is a little bit of work. So yeah. I do just wanted to tap in and let y'all know what that was about too, because I didn't really speak about it too much. So yeah, that's what the market is. So guys, today was pretty eventful. Not really, but I guess you can kind of say it was, with the whole like after work thing, and then IKEA run, and then coming home to juice. It's kind of a lot working 12 hours, but we got it done. Got me a little bit of pear juice before I go to bed. It's nothing like some fresh juice, man. That joint go crazy every single time. But I hope y'all like the Vlogmas. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next vlog. It should be eventful. I believe I'm doing Pilates tomorrow and going to breakfast with my friend and some other stuff. So yeah, I will see y'all then. Good night. Hey, did y'all hear that song on my intro? By the way, make sure y'all go download that and play that. Play that for your kids, play that for your family. I can't wait for Christmas.